Hey, nobody panic. It's actually working. Everyone just stay... Okay? Can we all do that? Can we all just stay calm? Oh my god. Weird when things actually work how they are supposed to, man. Oh well. Hey, yeah. I'm down a little bit today. Bummer, but it is what it is. Let's see. That's what I get. Just stick... What is my hair doing? Oh, it's not doing anything good. That's what it's doing. Okay, there we go. Nope, it got worse. I made it so much worse. It's fine. It'll be fine. It'll all be fine. It is what it is. Okay. Oh, it went down. Happy Friday, Dark Angel. How are you? It looks like it. Welcome, welcome. Do you have meetings today? Oh my gosh, Dark Angel, it was just choppy. It was just choppy all the way up until it was time for me to go. Like literally, you can see this was London. It basically stayed in a straight line. I see only at around 12 p.m. Yeah, 12 p.m. for me did they actually start to be something decent. Yeah. Are you ready for today? Do you think there's actually going to be anything today? Hey, Trade with Akash, how's it going? I really wonder if there is going to be anything decent. I don't know. If London is anything to go by, then we are screwed. But let's see. I'm going to try and be hopeful. Get some relative equal highs. Noise. Ooh, I love tech. You just took an impulse short on platinum. Was it? Was the NFP cancelled? Huh. I kind of heard that as well from someone else, but now I don't know. What's this? Okay, I don't know why things are having a freak out. Moving on. Oh, cool. So, is the government actually shut down? What? Now what? What does it mean for the markets? NASA energy, let's go. I know, I'm not on my usual getup because, guys, my friends are forcing me to go out tonight. I have like a quiz night to go to, so I might have to leave, not that much, but I have to be off here at latest 5:30, so I mean 11:30 for you guys. So that's normal time that I tend to hop off. But I might have to hop off a tiny bit sooner. But yeah. Am I excited to go out? No. Really. Ooh, I love tech. Okay, you're working on stopping impulse trades. MZs, we've got this. No more impulse. Okay. When in trouble, go double no. Okay, so there's no momentum because the US government is shut down? They do, believe it or not. Blood Moon stories, you really need a prop account. Go on then. I am, yeah. I am single, sorry, I was responding to that one. Nox. Yeah. I don't go out very often, so I feel like I do owe it to them to go out now and then, right? And unfortunately there was a quiz night and I was like, yeah, okay, I'll do it. AR Records 123, what up? Daniel! Hi, how you doing? That's not good. I love tech. What the heck? Why don't you try another one? Oh, Daniel, they are so good. They are so good. My horse figured out how to buck today, so I am terrified. He's gonna kill me. AR Records, what up? Oh, thank you, thank you. I mean, it's Friday, right? We gotta keep energy, whoop whoop. That's all. Yeah? So is this crypto? No, this is futures. So, I've heard it. To be fair, I thought it was rumors. I was like, but I mean, I don't really bother myself too much with that. I know that sounds bad. I try to stay out of news because I just feel like it's really negative half of the time, and that bums me out a little bit. You know, all that I care about is what does it mean for trading, and apparently it means choppy and no momentum, which sucks for little old me because I can't do that. So please explain what this is about. Oh, interesting. Oh, of course I can. So this is about trading. Okay, it's not just about trading. Theoretically, I guess you could say it's about my trading journey and you guys helping me and being along for the journey, and just an amazing community of fellow traders that want to just genuinely help each other and try learn together. That's basically what this is about, if that's what you were asking. Oh, thanks, Carl. I appreciate that. Comes a high from another dimension. Ooh. Which dimension? Yeah, I know, but again, yeah, Dark Angel, thank you. It's getting closer. I didn't think it would happen so soon, to be fair. Dark Angel, you remember the deal for 5k subs, right? So I thought, you know what, let's do this. When there's 3k, I'll put out a short and you guys can start throwing out ideas for the tattoo. Around 4k, I don't know if I'm being a little bit too eager with this, but I'm quite excited. I think that's the whole reason. I'm quite excited for the 5k challenge. Well, my 5k challenge. The 5k challenge, basically, that... What's the matter? Okay. Sorry, guys. My guard dog is on duty. Okay. So loud. Sorry, he's on duty today. But what I was saying... What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Oh, that's it. The 5k challenge of I will get a tattoo when I hit 5,000 subscribers. A trading tattoo. Hey, Prof23, are you ready? Do you think it's going to be choppy like it was earlier? Do you think there's actually going to be something? It looked like from 12 a.m. South Africa... 12 a.m.? 12 p.m. South Africa time, there was actually some decent movements, which is exciting. It gives me a little bit of hope. We have 5 minutes until opening. Yeah, Nox, I know. CR7, hi. I love you too. You're so cool. Luna Chan, thank you. Hey Val, how you doing? Oh my god. How are you doing? How am I supposed to go do a quiz night if I can't even speak English today? Hamza, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. I am actually English speaking, but apparently gibberish is all we are getting today. So this is gonna be entertaining. Nox, yeah, news, I feel it's all the negativity. I can't do it. It's actually part of the reason why my parents immigrated. So they left South Africa to Uruguay. So my parents live in Uruguay. Purely because my dad was getting so paranoid. And I'm just like, yeah, unnecessary. Brilliant. Sudama, no trades yet. From Fiji, that is so cool. Hi from South Africa. The 5K challenge. Hell yeah, Dark Angel journey. Come to Mumbai. Really? Only true trader. Heyo, how you doing? And Bob, hi. Are you ready? Are we all kind of in agreement of bearish today? Is that everyone's kind of bias? It's my bias for today. Hey DK, how you doing? And Dogzoid, yo, where have you been? Ooh. So looking at the hourly buy side, then Asia load. Okay, Dan. Okay. Hi from Nigeria. Hi. Oh, nice. Nice. Am I married? No. Nice. Intense Perez, can we start? Start what? Market has not opened yet. We still got 3 minutes to go, my guy. I'm not touching this until market opens. Nox, I know. Only true trader? Okay, so you are also bearish. Cool. Oh, green emerald frog, really? You think so? I mean, it could come back up, take these relative equal highs, bounce back off of VWAP and continue to go back down. I think I'll be surprised if it goes back up again. But, you know, at the end of the day, I just trade what the market's doing. So if it turns bullish, then I guess trade bullish. I'm trading the NASDAQ futures, micros to be specific. Yeah, 100%. Looking for that massive retracement to the downside. That's what I'm thinking. Darkzoid, that's not good. What the heck? What happened? Doggy dog? You are actually wrong. I do not teach trading. You guys are here to try and help me and teach me. I am not a teacher. I'm still a baby trader. I've only been trading since April. I'm still very new and I'm not profitable yet. Putting it out there. I'm still learning. Hey Lurk, how you doing? I love tech. You are long on gold and MNQ? I mean, for short right now, I guess long is fine. Why not? Okay, 1 minute. I lied. 10 seconds to go. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's going for those relative equal highs. Oh, interesting. Yeah, Hamza, it does. Come to the South Pacific. Why? What's there? Planning to fly to South Africa for like a holiday. Ooh, okay. The 1 hour and the 4 hour shows buying pressure on gold. Okay, Jeffrey, and on the MNQ? How's it look there? Oh, Nox, no. People do. People do be taking them seriously. DK, good question. No idea, guys. What is the future of, is that PI or just pi? Thunder Take Shots. Interesting name. I'm from South Africa. Whoop, here we go. Whoop, there we go. Whoop, there it is. Okay. Bim and Kabim. Tapped into view app on both. Oh my god. Oh, ES and NQ look similar today. That makes me so happy. Gosh, that does not happen often. Damn. Speaking of an FU candle, how big is this thing? 38 points. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Now, I wait at least 5 to 10 minutes to wait for the volatility to calm down before I place a trade. You know, is this just a liquidity grab, or is this it? Is it just going to keep going up, up, and away? Okay. You feel like I should try US 30? Drop a course. I mean, I guess I could drop a super basic course for beginners. Well, candles of luck again. Thank you, Mark. Thomas, good morning. How you doing? How's your dog doing? More important, you know. Oh, thanks, True Kingdom. I appreciate you calling me beautiful. I'm definitely not perfect, but I appreciate that. And touch recent low. Is it, Nox? Is it? I mean, it's not really like I'm making profits right now, but okay. Val, wait. What am I waiting for? Love from India. Thunder Take Shots. Thank you. Love back from South Africa. Oh. That's not good. I love tech. Ninja has a bug. It's selling when you say buy. That's not okay. That is not okay. Mazia, welcome back. Welcome back. You are Nox. You are correct. Damn. Oh my goodness. Cyber and Land Explorer? Why would you guess that? Moving on. Hey Chima, how's it going? I love tech. I don't know, could you put a complaint in or something? I actually don't know. How does it work? Sure, maybe you could. Be like, yo, can you guys sort your stuff out? Thanks. No, yeah, only prop for now. And only the one for now. I know some people have like 5 accounts that are open, and I just have the one for right now. Blink your eye if you can't see this message. Hamza? What? Why? See, I haven't blinked yet, I'm just saying. Yeah. Cybernet, yes. I'm still new. I've only been trading since April. So I'm still, like I said, I'm still baby trader. Prof 23, is each individual candle telling us a story? I mean, at this point, is the story just, I'm gonna be slow as hell and not go very far? Oh, interesting. Was this just a massive retrace back down? Are we gonna keep going up, down, sideways? Tapped into an order block on the 15-minute and went back up. Sorry, that's all my chaos over there. Let me just hide things so it doesn't look as chaotic. Oh, flip, okay. Maybe this actually does just continue bullish. There's only one way to find out, right? We kind of have to wait and see. Val, you think get ready to buy? Really? Am I greedy? No? I don't think I'm greedy. Chima, you know what? I can't complain. I cannot complain. Who else that? Intense parade. So when am I entering? When I get a good setup for my strategy. I will need to focus on trade, not chat. My man, my strategy says I cannot trade when it's like this. I need some proper momentum. So yes, then I will be focusing on chat because I can't do anything right now. Someone's cold. I'm always cold. I lie. Always. And it's been cold and rainy the whole day. Thanks, Shima. Wait, I'm trying to do that. No, I'll take it as a compliment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hamza, no, I'm not trading babies. Oh my gosh. No, no, no. Green Emerald Frog, you should have seen London. London was disgusting. I was cheeky and I tried a trade. I tried like a bit of a different strategy. I thought I'd try like a one-to-one thing. It did not work out because my strategy was just not going to work with what was happening. So that's why I'm literally waiting for confirmation now. Are we going to be going up? Are we going to be going down? If it can make up its mind and actually get some momentum, awesome. If not, then I guess we're just gonna have a chit chat Friday, guys. Waiting for the 10 a.m. news before you frame a specific bias. That's valid. The train is now bullish. Get ready to buy. Lyric, yes, I am. Thankfully. No, guys, I promise. Oh my gosh, I promise I'm not trading babies. I promise. I said I'm baby trader. I am still. I can hear where the confusion's coming in. I don't want to call myself that anymore, but let's see. Only to trade. Interesting. Okay, Thomas, so, wow. We started the session thinking bearish, now it appears that it's kind of shifted to bullish. Cool. Let's have a quick look at this. Like I said, I'm not going to do it yet because, I mean, to wait for the 1 hour is not a bad thing. The 1 hour. The 10 a.m. is not a bad thing after news. And after that, I guess, the 1 hour candle closes. Okay, let's see if this would have been a win. So let's take, right? But that's the thing. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It's okay, Prof. What news? I see there's some news scheduled. I don't think it's hectic news. I don't think. But it might still make a little bit of a difference. I'm sorry, English is my second language and I'm not good at it. That's okay, Hamza. That's, yeah, I can understand where the confusion came in. Ooh! Damn, Thomas, nice. And apple butter. Cool. You just send a little whoop whoop and I'll know that it means that your TP was hit, okay? Well, I'm missing it. I know. But you know me, I stick with my strategy. I'm not gonna jump in on things. I couldn't have set this up because my one rule is do not trade within the first 5 minutes for the volatility to calm down. And by the time this was a tag in, it was still during the 5 minutes. So, and that would have been a loss. I'm glad I listened to my strategy then. Holy cow, what was that? Whoa. Awesome. Cool. That was interesting. That was interesting. Anyways, moving on. You're okay. Miss, you closed your last one for 2. Nice, well done. Was it just in time? Yeah. So, are we still just doing the seek and destroy today? That's kind of what it looks like. Hell yeah, Daniel, if you guys say whoop whoop, I know that your TPs were hit and you guys get a whoop whoop from me because that is amazing. Everyone deserves Everyone deserves a whoop whoop if they are winning. Aw, thanks, Lurk. I really appreciate that. I try. Listen, sometimes it gets the better of me. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes it does happen. But I really try. I'm nervous because now, like I said, the 1 hour and 15 minute are still bullish. But my little itty bitty brain wants to hop in on this for a sell because of this massive fair value gap. But it did just take a bunch of liquidity, so again, this could be... But let's see the 2 minute. Yeah. And it's bounced off of VWAP on ES. It has not dropped below VWAP yet. Am I overthinking? I feel like I'm overthinking. Should I just get in on the short? I don't know. I feel like that's not the best idea. Yeah, right, Shima. That's why my brain's going, maybe not shorts. Maybe not shorts. Green-Enabled Frog. Actually, Green-Enabled Frog. That, yes. You are correct. I need to make sure that there's actually momentum in one direction before I hop in on this. Or else it's gonna be like London, where it just went all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. And that is not great for my strategy. Well, yeah, Thomas, but that's exactly the thing. That's why I said this community is one full of support and love. Where we want everyone to succeed. We're not here going, moron, you lost. No, we're going, I'm so sorry you lost. Let's see what we can do, I don't know, as a community to help make the next one a green and a whoop whoop, right? Whoop whoops are amazing. There we go, merch idea, whoop whoop. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do merch, but yeah. Apple Butter, are you still in this? AB Trades, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Green Emerald Frog short, I was looking potentially at the short. I was looking at this. So that would have been the tap in. Or the tick in, whatever you want to call it. Watch it go down now, just because I didn't take it, but with this happening, I just need confirmation that we're actually heading in one direction and staying in one direction, not doing this flipping... What's it called? What's that heartbeat monitor thing called? Oh my gosh. I've lost English completely. Yeah, 100%. Thanks, Thomas. Yeah. Daniel, yeah. See, that's the thing. I know I'm overthinking. However, there's a reason why I'm overthinking. And it is to do with how the London market was this morning. Because I know that if the market's like that, it just doesn't work for my strategy, and then it's unnecessary losses. When I could have waited another, what, like 5 to 10 minutes for proper... English is lost on me today. And boom, that's why right there. That would have been a loss. Confirmation, that's what I was trying to say. Wait for confirmation that it would have worked. Because like I said, if it does this, it's just not going to be a good day for me. Green Emerald Frog, wait for it to break range. Yeah, that feels like where I'm at right now. Hey Roger, what's my strategy? Oh, this is not a great day to show you my strategy because it's just not a great day with the big ups and the big downs. I know that works for some people's strategies. It does not work for mine, unfortunately for me. That one, I don't think this would have come up high enough. Let's see. Yes, depends on the range. Oh, nope, would have missed me. Well, if I did the smaller range, it may have ticked me in. Okay, let's pretend I took the smaller range. So essentially, draw top of the range, bottom of the range. It's not as simple as that. Obviously, I'm going to look for confluences. For example, this one, because of the order block. However, there is a bit of a shelf and a fair value gap on the higher time frames. I can see that already. That would have been a confluence as a confirmation. Then 50% is the entry, 30% of the 50% is my stop loss, and 2R down is TP. So this one, if it got me, this may have just missed me by a tick. But let's say it did tag me and would have been such a nice win. Oh well. I've had that before where it's just missed me literally by a tick, and that would have sucked. Cardiac monitor, barcode. EKG, thank you, Apple Butter. Yes, so you weren't wrong, it is the cardiac monitor. Barcoding potentially on a higher time frame, but yes, I was looking for EKG. Thank you, Apple Butter. The Ginger Ninja, you think that short button now, really? Now that it's gone up a bit more? Also, hi LP, you've been quiet. Okay, waiting for confirmation. Here we go. Oh. Apple butter, whoop whoop. 100%. Prof 23, 100%. Joke Junction, hey yo, how you doing? Okay, Green Emerald Frog, you are short with a tight top loss. ES all-time high, possibly. I mean, potentially, yeah. Ooh, Green Emerald Frog. Okay, this looks promising. Where's your TP at? Oh, never mind. Would end for 50 points right there. You answered that already. I just didn't read. Waiting for entry, ready for the show. Nice, Texas. Okay, let's see. Manya, do you want personal training? Yeah. I mean, sure, you can. Okay, Thomas, I'm listening. 1 hour, 4 hour fair value gap has kind of created a trading range. Oh, no. Try using this indicator. Danish? Which indicator? I feel like I missed it. Robbie Crooks, no, I'm not using the ARB strategy. There's a few people here that do use it though. I know Bob uses it. Anyone else? Who else uses the ARB strategy out of curiosity? I'm pretty sure there's a few other people that use the ARB strategy. Oh, Savage Gorilla, nice. With profit, right? Okay, wait, but Danish, what about 1 minute trades? I'm on the 1M chart. Thank you for the new subs, guys. You guys are... Okay. Okay. I made that 5K challenge as, you know, thinking this will be like a next year situation. Maybe not. Maybe this is gonna be what I get soon. Texas used the 5-minute ARB. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna keep quiet. I'm gonna keep quiet. I'm gonna keep quiet. The South African in me wants to be a bee, but don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Woo! Here we go. Okay. 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 Is this the confirmation? Has it broken out now? Timothy! Hello, hello, how's it going? Green Emerald Frog, no, I'm so sorry. It was looking promising. It was looking really promising. I'm so sorry. Podgem September. Meh. Yeah, just meh. Not terribly, but not great either. There were some great days. But, meh. I feel like that's all I can say, just me. Ooh, okay, Bob. What strat have you tried? So you're not doing the 15-minute ARB anymore? Okay. News in 7 minutes, people. Thank you, Dark Angel. See, Dark Angel is just like the big sister looking out for all of us. No. Green Emerald, was this what you were waiting for? Intense Perez, what up? Happy birthday to me. It's not my birthday. Is it my birthday? It's not my birthday. I don't think it's my birthday, damn. Hey Dube, how are you doing? Thomas, interesting. I'm a copy paste this. I'm a copy paste this so I can do some back testing today. Well, not today. Can't do it today. This weekend. There we go. Oh, Knight's gonna be upset with me. I didn't watch the movie. Did anyone watch the movie? I didn't watch the movie. I did not call DJ old. Oh, there's Knight. I'm so sorry, Knight. I'm so sorry. Knight, you just heard me. Dark Angel, you are bearish today, still waiting. Yeah. Let's wait for confirmation at 10 AM EST or 4 PM for my fellow South Africans. Sorry, that's the Jeep. Green emerald frog, you know, it happens. It's very annoying. I'm so sorry, Knight. You're gonna be so upset with me. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. Anyway. Failed to break again, back into the range. That's the thing. SMT with ES Nasdaq could see downside. Ooh, it kind of... Ooh! Oh my gosh, we're gonna get out of this range? Is it happening? Is this it? Please let this be it. Yeah, green emerald frog, that sucked. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Does technical really work? Oh no! Yes, Daniel? Okay. You think that's beautiful price action? Really? Oh, that was smooth. That was smooth. When is my birthday? It's in December. Hey, Klinik, how's it going? And Wilson. Heyo. Night. I'm so sorry. I'll watch it this weekend. I'm so sorry. When it gets to nighttime, then I end up... night when it gets... Anyways. I get crazy busy and then... Yeah, I'm so sorry. I feel really bad. No! Flip. Pocket option. Oh, interesting. Okay. Night. I swear on little shorty that I'll watch it this weekend, okay? Like I said, I even have it copy and pasted in my notes. That's why I remembered, because I was like, oh no. I saw the name and I was like, no. Texas, you're in the short. Nice. And Val, you think it's about to retrace, go back up. I mean, go back down. Sorry. I'm waiting to see if it breaks VWAP on ES, because it's respecting VWAP properly on ES today. Oh. Sorry. Let's see, we have a minute until news, so I can't trade when there's news anyways. I don't think it's like hectic news, but let's rather be safe than sorry. I've had it before and I thought, it's not big news, it's not gonna do anything. Famous last words. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Okay, and which times are best? Is 10 AM a goodie? So like now? I've heard 10 AM is quite a big thing. It seems like it's quite a big thing. Not just because it's normally when news is, but because it's, you know, the 1 hour candle closes. There's a lot that happens. Wilson, I'm on the 1 minute. Really, Nox? Which one? I'm kind of curious now. Which actress? 3 string, it will go up now. Winona... I'm a Google. Oh, okay, it went down. Holy moly, is it going down? Okie dokie. Okie dokie. No, Dark Angel, did it miss where you wanted to get in? Asia Low swept. I mean, it's now gone below VWAP, but it did pop into a little bit of a fair value gap on ES, and liquidity has been a take on. That was a very big sigh, Perry. Well done, Texas. Hey, Daniel, whoop whoop, amazing. And thank you for the subscriber. Like I said, y'all are making me stress a little bit, but it's fine. What are hourly and 4 hourly? Wait. Oh my gosh, sorry, let me get rid of all the noise there. I really don't know what it's going to do. I started the day with, well, I started the New York session with a bearish bias. Should I try and stick with my bias? I should just trade what's in front of me, right? Hey, well, I mean, to be fair, I'm a little bit of both. I do a little bit of gaming as well. Don't allow the doubt to creep in. Thank you. Yes, I know. Yes, 100%. Finally, some movement with confirmation. Texas a 3R. Hey, Trader Dives. Hi, what up? Green Emerald Frog? Okay, maybe I shouldn't have. So, I mean, I've finished Hogwarts Legacy on PC. What else? I started playing, it's not Animal Planet, it was something, I wasn't so much for that. I know some people enjoy the building thing, not so much. I enjoy more the action type things. On Xbox, I played Tina's Tiny Wonderland. That's quite fun. As well as, I'm gonna butcher it now. Why can't I remember? Well, I mean, I've played all the Lego movies on Xbox. Those are funny as hell, but anyways. If you do use ICT, study weekly profiles and purge and revert. Okay. Texas, thank you. Yeah, no, I do agree with that. Be quick to change, you know, go with the trend. Go with the trend. Even if your bias is one way, if clearly the trend is going in a certain direction, stick with it. Right now, we did get some confirmation for the short. So, let's see. How big is this? Holy cow, okay. That's a 30-point range. That's big. That's very big. I think I'll feel comfortable putting like 2 contracts in on this one. What's up there? Still needs to go lower on ES, I think. Again, I'm still learning, guys. Let's give this a go. Let's see if it comes up this high. I'm gonna mitigate risk a little bit by only placing 2. Okay, I'm sticking with it, right? Because I don't want to be messing with the GAN. The stop loss could be higher, especially with regards to the little order block and doji. But however, do have a very decent shelf here, and there's going to be a fair value gap right there, and VWAP. Okay, this is actually not bad. This is actually not bad. The only thing going against it is the stop loss potentially being a little bit too low, but I'm trying not to mess with it too much so I can get accurate feedback. Okay, I don't hate this. I don't hate this. Let's see. Let's see if this comes back up to get me or not. Oh my gosh. Sorry, he's all on edge today. I don't know. LP, you're trying the mini range short. Oh, damn. Like right here? Ah! I mean, it could be amazing or it could be completely screwed. I'm gonna stick with my bigger one. I feel like it's just with regards to the confluences, it's a little bit better. How many of the 10? I've done 7. I've heard Sierra chart is amazing. I have looked into it. I just know it can be very complicated. Thank you. We have shorted natural gas. Cool. What happened? Nothing. It's just Fridays, the pool people come to clean the pool, and he takes offense from that for some reason. LP, is this actually gonna work? I think this is gonna work out for the shorter range. Yep. LP, are you in this? Thomas, I love that. It would have been good. It popped into VWAP on ES. It had a very nice little pop right there. I feel like I missed something. Ooh, okay. Hey, Black Rose! Oh my gosh. This one would have been a win. For crying out loud. I really thought the bigger range was better. Oh well. Looks like the small range would have actually been a goodie. Just didn't have as many confluences, so... You know, as upset as I am for missing it, if it had been a loss, it would have been on me, 100%. Would this have been a tag in? Oh! You took the range from this one, it wouldn't have gotten you. So that, I don't think that one counts. Uh, 10 past 4 South Africa time. Yeah, basically, well, it's 9 past 4 to be specific. Oh no, so it didn't get you in LP. Flip, I'm sorry. Charles Abu, not yet. It's in the next week. That's all I'm gonna say. Texas, okay guys, I think we all have to think melting thoughts for Texas, for Texas's TP to hit. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Holy! What? Wow. Bob, well done. Whoop whoop, that is amazing. I feel like Bob needs 3 whoop whoops from everyone. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop, whoop whoop. Holy cow, 7 for 7 and 47 points. General that. Oh, thank you, Trader Dives. I like to think the more simple you keep it, the easier it is. I don't know if that's just me. I feel like trading, as complicated as it is, we should try to not... This would have been a win. So I was just looking at this now going, flip, I missed this. However, on ES, it looks like it's climbing. Okay, let's see what happens. Bob, that is amazing. Well done. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, Thomas K, that's... Let's see if this one would have worked. But like I said, it seems to be pushing up on ES, but it is still kind of respecting the VWAP. I think it's gonna go up now. Lipstick everywhere on charts? What? What does that mean? Did I miss something? Whoop! Okay, that would have been a loss. Hey, hey, see? ES did indeed push the high there. Was this just a hectic fake out and we're going back up now? Let's see. Yeah, Nox, you tell him. Careful guys, Nox is on duty. He's not as strict as Geordie. But, well, I say that, I think Nox is pretty strict, he's just quiet about it. Only true trader? Yeah. Timothy. So Timothy, you think this is going to keep going up, right? Ah, okay, cool. See, learning things still. Okay, so there might be one more drop and then a flip to the upside. This might be it. This might be it. Let's see. Going question mark? Let's see. I hope a setup comes for me. Okay, like I said, I didn't hate the setup, and I did place it. It just obviously didn't come to get me. And that's fine. Dark Angel, how's it? Yeah, did it go too far away from where you wanted to enter? Okay, so Val, you think it's going to go down. Timothy, you think it wants to go up. Well, that's great. I guess we are going to have to see which direction we end up heading. Is High Life even here? High Life, you still here? High Life's been awful quiet. Yeah. Right? Apple butter? 100%. Sorry, I'm just watching. What's happening on ES? And now we have two different charts again. ES is above VWAP, NQ is below VWAP. It hit that shelf on ES, it hasn't taken anything on NQ yet. Duncan, I'm using Project X now. Hey, High Life, what chores are you doing? Yes, this is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. I can't, Prof. So unfortunately for me, I have a quiz night to go to tonight. That half past 2, half past 5 South Africa time. So half past 11, I have to call it, or else I'm gonna be late. My friends are gonna be grumpy at me because I never go out and do things, and they were like, it's a quiz night, it's gonna be chilled. And I was like, okay, fine. I very reluctantly agreed. Oh, thanks, apple butter. Yeah, well, let's see. I think this is gonna start going up. I don't know why, and I could be very wrong. I know it's kind of bad to go for feelings, but I have a feeling this is gonna go up. But I also should not take a trade based off of a feeling, so I'm not gonna do it. See, I'm trying really hard to not let the FOMO and stuff take part. Okay. Oh, thanks, Boom. Her stomach feels good. Nox candles are still bottom heavy. You think so? Nah. Okay, Val thinks sell. Green Emerald Frog, that's what I was thinking. I was like, this could potentially go up to VWAP, grab this liquidity, and then pop back down. That's why I was feeling the long. Should I be... No, don't do it. Like, should I be cheeky and just market buy if it goes back up? Oh, sorry, Texas. I will shut up. My bad. I will be quiet. Amanda, no, I don't. Yeah, actually, I don't. Who does use ChatGPT or what? Trade GPT? Or any AI platform? Out of curiosity. How do you find it? Emotional damage. The only problem is if ES now goes down to tap into VWAP again, this would be a... here we go. Let's see. Really, Texas? You always mark it in limit out. Huh. It's been a bullish, yes it has. Has indeed been bullish. Has it? Yeah, it has. Majority, it's been bullish. Let's see. Guys, maybe it's just a no trade day for me, which I have to keep reminding myself is not the end of the world. Apologize if it's a tad bit boring. Like I said, Nox is on top of it. Holy moly. LP, no, that's true. It is still early. Yep, it's gonna come back down now. It would not have pulled in the higher range. I mean, let's see what happens. If I was in this trade, I would be stressing right now. But, okay, wait, we have to think melting thoughts for Texas. We're thinking melting thoughts for Texas, guys. Really? Are you also from Texas? There's quite a few Texans here. That's quite cool. I've always wanted to visit Texas. You know, just because stereotypically, I know it's a stereotype, but you know, Texas is supposed to be horse country, you know. Val, you still think sells? Yeah, but is it not like super horsey as well? No. I think of somewhere else. No, where my sister went. Where did I get my cowboy boots from? I have some genuine American cowboy boots. Just saying. From Nashville. There we go. From Nashville. That would have been a loss. And now it's gonna go back up. Blech. Hell yeah, Bob. I am. I am super grateful. Like I said, by the looks of things, I'm gonna have to go visit Texas. Ooh, cool, Thomas. See? I'm just gonna have to go visit you guys. Yeah, Knox. Oh. Ugh. I can't trade this. This is not great. Specifically for my strategy. I'm sure a lot of you guys are loving this. I am not. Hey Kay, how's it going? Yeah, 100%, Prof. These are not fun. These were the conditions. Was it last week? It was last week that I had a red week. The big up and big down and big up and big down, and as you can see, it just would not work for my strategy, so it is what it is. Oh no, boom, I haven't taken. Oh yes, earlier I did. I tried to be a little bit sneaky. The FOMO got better of me during London. Yeah. Lesson learned. Just listen to myself, honestly. And listen to you guys when you say don't do it. Buy and investing in gold and silver is what you find works for you. Ted? Oh, where's silver and gold? He would have loved to chat to you. I don't think he's here today. What a pity. He was telling us all about silver and gold. It was very interesting to learn about yesterday. Ah, rats. See, I had the right idea. I did say if it came back down closer to VWAP, I would have been screwed, and I would have been. But I had the right idea, so that makes me, yeah, makes me happy. Texans are geniuses. AK, I did think of you when I went back on the charts. I did see that it was shorts, and I was like, oh, K is having the best day today. Okay, Daniel, you went long now. Let's see. Like I said, I would have been in a long. It just would have screwed me before going to TP. How rude. Got a double tap, nearly. It's made relative equal highs on ES. This is just choppy. Why? Okay, so green. Okay. I'm gonna keep quiet for Texas. So what I like to say, right, is every winning trade is great, right? But every trade that is a loss is still a learning trade. I butchered that. Oh my gosh. Every trade that is a loss is not a loss because you are still learning. That's bye. And bye. Okay. What I was trying to say, I butchered it. I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm genuinely curious. Do you guys? I mean, I know I sometimes talk to the market as if they can hear me, and I'm like, just listen to me. Just go up or go down. Blah blah blah. Do you guys do the same thing? Is it just me? Do you guys sometimes yell at your screens as if they can hear and they care what you are busy saying? Just me? Ooh, Thomas K, I like that. Danny, I've been blessed. I've been blessed with a berry. No, that was a very brief blessing. He's now walking away. Come here. Can you come here, please? No? Okay, never mind. I thought he would want to bless you guys. Apparently not. Yeah, Daniel, I need to, yeah. You guys wanna just take over for me? I'll just get Boom back in on this and he can just keep talking. I'll just shut up for the rest of the day. Okay. My little freeloader over there, busy complaining like he has bills to pay. Hitting that, hitting a lot of resistance. And it's respecting the hell out of it. Green Emerald Frog, I'm not sure. I have not asked Boom. Why? I feel like you guys have a favorite and it's not me, which is bloody rude. I'm just saying. How rude. Interesting talk. Well, I mean, to be fair, those sound like the most common. Damn it. I should have taken this. I think this is gonna go up. I think this is gonna go tap into VWAP. It's taking the high on ES. Shoot. Is ES at all-time highs? Again? No. Yes. Ah. No. Oh my gosh, it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry, I didn't go double check further back. Thank you. I hope so. Antonio, you think up. Oh, green emerald frog. Sure, sure. You just have a favorite. I get it. I get it. That's fine. That's always the tricky things with the W or the M formations. Is that sometimes it looks like a W and you get excited, and then all of a sudden it becomes an M and you're like, ah, damn it. I was wrong. Giovanni, hey yo, what up? I think, again, that's just the problem. I can't get in on anything until it stops chopping. It's slowly pushing up though. It did this earlier. LP, you think this looks like a good long? It's just taken out the highs on ES. It could retrace back down, or this could be amazing. Should I just mark it by? No, 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 no. Did you see that little voice in the back of my head saying, just do it. Just YOLO. It's fine. I'm like, oh my gosh, no. Listen. Right, green little frog. Oh. Honestly. The voice of Markiner. No. That is exactly what it is right there. That little voice in the back of my head is Markiner going, just do it. Full portrait. Everything go. YOLO. I'm like, oh gosh. Okay, Thomas. The YOLO is strong with you. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Yoda. Accumulation, manipulation down, and distribution up. Boom Banana? Did you take a trade? Did Boom take a trade? No, Dark Angel, no! I'm so sorry. I was thinking of you and I was looking at this and I was going, I wonder... I am so sorry. And now there's absolutely nothing. Unless you're on ES. ES looks like there's some okay things happening there. This is just garbage. Again, let's see if this would have been a trade. It probably would have been, and then I'm gonna be a little bit salty about that, but... just stick to the rules, right? Stick to the rules, and the rules are don't chop. Don't trade the chop. Oh my gosh, I'm a flipping chop. That's what's happening. Sometimes a YOLO full port is what we need. Only true trader? Okay. Will? What does that mean? What does it mean? What does going for a pony means? Do I want to know what that means? You danced with faith and flirted with death. What happened, Fulcus? Sorry, that was me in absolute shooketh at LP saying a tradie as like, I think even one contract was terrifying amounts for me right now. Dark Angel, I heard you in my head. I was actually thinking of you and I saw it going down, and I think you even typed a message saying, no, not yet. And I was like, oh no. Dark Angel's over there shouting at her screen. Yep, 100%. Well, no, I kind of want to know what it means now. What does it mean? Please tell me. Oh, Focus, please tell me what happened. I need to help you and me backtest in Python. Go on then. Hey, Madao. Hi, how are you? I love tech. Yes, we do. We need A+ setups. It's going for the win. Just cause I didn't take it. But on the plus side, it means that we're no longer chopping, so that's good, right? Only two traders, yeah. Yeah, exactly. No, as much as we wish. I mean, it hasn't tapped TP yet. I mean, this would have very much been a break even by now. Wat die moer. Kom, sal jy hierdie doen. Okay. Don't mind me. When I'm grumpy, Afrikaans comes out. Your NQ is being a diva today. It's not fun. No, Texas, no! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's about to hit my TP. Are we all just salty today? Yeah, we salty today. Rashad, like, this is the worst top for me to be wearing for you to say that. Just, like, of all the shirts I've ever worn, this is the worst one for you to say that with. I'm just saying. For those of you that missed it, just because I feel like calling him out because that was hilarious. The touch elbow together challenge. Those of you that do not know, obviously if girls try to do that, things happen. You will see nothing. I'm so confused. Anyways, US 30 to the moon. Thomas K, what does my big range look like? Ooh, good question. The big range was here. Ooh. This would have been the entry for the big range. But on ES now, it looks like it's just going to keep going for the moon. No, Dark Angel, no! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Walking away. Oh, Texas, well done. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Still in the green, that's awesome. Hey, basic edit. I call you the Rocket Man. Why? Boom Banana, because I thought it was gonna potentially just keep chopping. Okay? Okay, that's fine. I thought about doing it, but that's what I did earlier and it screwed me, so I was like, no, let's not make the same mistake twice. So naturally, it was a win. Oh, Green Emerald Frog, well done. Didn't expect good PA today, so yeah, no, that's valid. Yes, Brent, like, for that reason, I don't want to be in the chop and then get screwed. In the 4 hour, there's a fair value gap. Okay. Excelled at cake. I'm not Afrikaans. I'm just saying. I wanted to be mean to Thomas now, but Thomas doesn't deserve me being mean. I want to... It's the saltiness coming out because I missed the trade. The saltiness in me wants to be like, oh, boo-hoo. But no. That's still amazing, Thomas. Well done. Being a green is awesome. Oh, then it's okay, Brenna. Then it's okay. So this was the bigger range. Oh, it's just not ideal. After all this chop, I think it's gonna want to keep popping up. It's broken here. Broken VWAP. I think it's potentially going up, up, and away now. If I sound defeated, it's because I am. The market's won today. I know it's not over yet, but it feels like they have won today. This is not bad. This is not bad. This is not bad. Opens. I don't know if this will get me. Let's see, but I mean, got a fair value gap, I got a shelf, I got... Got a bit of an order block. Got an order block. This is not bad. And it's raining again. The only problem is if it respects the hell out of that 5-minute fair value gap on the right, left. English, it's failing me. Wow, Prof. Wow. I mean, I understand Afrikaans. I mean, clearly I read what you said. I could read Afrikaans, but can I speak it properly? Hell no. Just hell no. Ugh. No, I'm taking it. It's sticking with the criteria. It's fine. I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna stick with it. Leave it alone. Boom in it, yeah. Let's see if it gets me in, though. Let's see if this gets me in. Oh, Focus, I'm sorry. Yeah, you know what? Not every day can be an amazing day. Mock 451, I am trading the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be more specific. The only thing going against this trade right now is the VWAP. Oh well. I look cutie! Thank you! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, I had to do that. Ooh, kringe. Okay, moving on. Ah, well, Graham. I'm gonna call you Graham. I'm not gonna say your name out loud. I think it's going to do this. It's just going to be Chop City. It's going to screw us all around, and it's just not why. Why did you not come and get me? I was right there. That was so rude. Anyways. Yeah, Focus, I hear that. What, Mark? Oh, thank you. Thanks for the subs, guys. You little... I thought I'd go fill that fair value gap a little bit more. Literally. That little high low there is not promising, but let's see what happens. Yeah, true, Crypto King. 4-hour Tuesday, 23rd, bearish candles that are bullish only, order block. I'm just asking. Hey Kiko, how's it going? Did you get any trades in? How's it looking for you? I missed a winning trade and now it has not come to get me into this one. Oh well. Thank you. I appreciate that. Whatever. Oh, nice, Kiko. Okay, cool. Yeah, Graham. I feel like the markets are just super unpredictable at the moment. I think that's just what it is. One day they go amazing, and then the next, it's sugar honey iced tea show. If you had a pet hedgehog, life would be a little bit more wild. To be fair, I'm going to agree with you on that one. Hedgehogs are adorable. If you had a pet porcupine, that would be funny. Crypto King, how are you asking how I am? Hi, okay. Oh, yes. Yep, Green Emerald Frog, you win. A pet capybara would be, but no, there are no capybaras in South Africa. Oh well. Oh, I've actually heard about heat map. Who bought it up today? Someone actually bought up heat map today. Ah, shoot. Okay, well, I'm in it. Let's see. This is 8. This is trade number 8. Me being greedy. There we go. Yeah, I'm so sorry. They're a bit of a mess right now, but yes. I mean, I do everything for my horses. So, yes. Wait for impact to be trading. Oh, you're playing the patience game. Smart, damn it. This is gonna retrace and retest on ES, and I'm gonna be caught in it. Yep, there it goes. But I must leave it alone. I need the accuracy for those 10 trades. Right night. Oh my god. I'm not from the USA, so you are gonna have to ask the others. How's the weather in the USA right now, guys? Have you been to Japan? I want to go to Japan. I'm dying to go to Japan. I think it looks beautiful. Am I? I'm not. I just asked about it. Too much fake news. Yeah, that's valid, Graham. Yeah. It's gonna take me out. Thought I would respect it a little bit. Oh well. Hey, tips for traders. How you doing? Got any tips for me? What? Damn, Bob. And it's stunning there in Colorado. Is it just nice and warm? I'm jelly. And oh my gosh, okay. My guy, I've answered you like twice. Anyways. Not you think so? Let's see. I'm just focusing on you guys right now. Stego for life. Heyo, how are you? Well, oh, you beat me to it. I'm good. Thank you. How are you doing? Oh, yeah, that's amazing. Okay, go enjoy your breakfast. Will I be here? Yeah, I might still be here if you come back. Let's see, there's still time. Oh, thank you. Why Bitcoin going down today? I have no idea. Yes, Bob. Yes, it is. When in doubt, the Vert chat is always going crazy. I mean, it's good entertainment, right? You want to see some crazy banana stuff. Unkush high. Green Emerald Frog, that wick. Like I said, I'm trying not to look. Stego for life. What is today's plan? I don't know. I waited for a decent trade. This is a decent trade. However, it looks like it's going to come down and take me out. But at least I waited for my setup, right? So even if it is a loss, I can't be upset because I did wait. I didn't just jump in at the first sign of it potentially being my strategy. I waited for the confluences, waited for the confirmations. So I can't be upset about that. And now you just have to trust the strategy. Right? That's it. Some people never go crazy. What truly horrible lives they must lead, right? I feel like those people need hugs. Like, that's so boring. Why would you not want? Oh, thanks, Knight. Actually, thank you that you say that, because do you know how many times people are like, don't let emotions get involved? I was like, oh, I get it, or you shouldn't care so much about your trade, or whatever the case. And I'm like, I get it. Don't let emotions dictate your trade. However, I feel it's still valid to be happy or upset if you take a win or a loss. You are only human. If you weren't, I would say that you were a robot and there's something wrong with you. Stego for life. Positivity is key. Yes. Right, I'm working on self-confidence. Believe it or not, guys, I think I've told some of you guys before, but believe it or not, I'm actually a proper introvert. It's why I don't really go out with my friends that often, because people. Scary. But yeah, that's where the self-confidence is not great. What's my opinion on the RSI EMA strat? I've heard really good things about it. I haven't gone to check it out yet. I want to maybe check it out this weekend. I've heard really good things about it. Can I explain why I entered air? I can. So according to my strategy, I'm waiting for it to close around the 50% level. 12, 10, no. Okay, well, it's around 50%, so I'm going break even. Cool. So I stick with my strategy. Sweet and simply. Let's go. Is this a triple tap or triple top on ES? Okay, this might come take me out at break even. Let's see what happens. Aw, thanks, Nox. Thank you, I appreciate that. Or at least a break even trade, right? Sorry, strategy. So entry, I draw from bottom of the range to top of the range. Entry is at 50% of the range. Auction market theory, right? You want to get in at discount. And 30%, there we go. 30% of the 50% is my stop loss. And 2R up is TP. So some confluences, there was a fair value gap. There was, I call it a shelf. And an order block as my 3 confluences that this could possibly be a really good winning trade. Does it always work out? No, but let's see. And then I go break even at around 50% when the candle closes at around 50%. At least for these 10. The next 10 trades, this is 8. Oh, this is, no. Oh wait, is this 8 of 10? Oh, it is 2. Okay, this is 8 of 10. Once these 10 are done, I'm going to do another 10 trades where I do not go break even and see what happens. Night, I know. Oh, hey Zane, how you doing? Yeah, bad. Hey Michelle, how you doing? I look Russian somehow. Interesting. I am half Portuguese, maybe it's that. Focus. That's valid. Night, I will watch a movie. I promise I will watch the movie. Crypto King. I've heard that's ideal. So I don't know if you've noticed, what I tend to do is once I'm in the trade, I try and shift all my focus onto the chat so that I do not watch it. I know, Night. I think it's because I need to validate them. That makes sense. That sounds really bad though, but yeah. Hey, Prashant. Hi. Do you mean strat? Backtest one particular strategy, yes. Who wants to make a friend from another country? Why do you think I started this stream? There we go. In case you guys didn't see, Bob said everyone wiggle your fingers at the monitor to get the charts to move up. So everyone go. There we go. I trade only 1 minute time frames. I mean, theoretically, yes and no. I go between the 2, not really the 3, the 2 and the 5 minute as well for confirmation on the trade. But yeah, in general, I only trade the 1 minute. Winchester Kid. Which part? Green Emerald Frog. Knight really wants me to watch, or he wants us to watch. It's called Jose? No. Josie, the Tiger, and the Fish. I don't know if it's Jose or Josie. I'm not sure. Sorry. I'm gonna paste it in the chat. Ah, there we go. Okay, Knight beat me to it. Sorry. Trading feels like gambling, in which case it's all luck and no skill. Winchester Kid, I hear why you would say that. To be fair, I used to think that as well. But there's quite a bit that goes into it. Like I said, I used to think that as well. I would rather say it's like guesstimating. Like, because of your estimations, you predict it's going to go this way. Does it always work in your favor? No. But, yeah. Yeah, that's valid, Crypto King. White Buffalo, heyo, also Auntie. Hi. Green Emerald Frog. It's me. Okay. Ooh. Hi. Hi from South Africa. Hold up, where's the ring? Yes, I'm single. The 15 and the 5 minute are ideal for you. Ah, yeah. And that's, I don't know how that didn't take me up, but anyways. Yeah, there we go. LP, very well put. Thank you. Ego, you're in the UK. Nice. Just trying to understand. Did you ask something else? There's a bearish 5-minute fair value gap. It doesn't concern you. I actually originally wanted to take the long range. So the one you are talking about is where I initially drew it. Right? This right here. This is where I initially drew. So let's see which one would have been a win. I was looking at that, but then I thought maybe the smaller ranges would have potentially been better. And I really expected it to at least go a little bit higher than VWAP, but it's fine. Why am I single? I don't know, maybe I'm the problem. Ego, am I what? No, you are welcome. Like I said, I'm stick with trend. Stick with trend, and trend looked like it wanted to go bullish again, so yeah, trend is friend. Yeah, no, I get it. No, I'm not using. Whenever I see MACD, I'm like, McDonald? No, I'm not. I was about to say, how the hell am I still in this? But it's like I said, Knight, I don't always trust VWAP. Okay, so break even. Let's see if it would have been a win. Knight, I'm keeping score. I'm keeping count. Or if the bigger range would have been the better one. Let's see. So it took me in, got me out at break even. Like I said, I'm not gonna complain about break even. Break even's fine. Sorry. This was 8 of 10. Hey, yep. 8. 10. I made it 32. Cool. Okay, let's see which direction this heads now. Interesting, Knight. Actually, that's a good idea. Okay. Oh, you know what? I think it was because it's above VWAP on ES. Yeah. I feel like I missed something. Hey, that's amazing. Well, hi guys. Hello. Game room, am I doing trades? I mean, yes. Ego sum, let's play a game. That sounds terrifying. Sorry, isn't there a horror where that's a thing? What game? Ooh, Green Emerald Frog. No, I don't mind. So, essentially, personal trainer slash rode horses and taught people how to ride. Yeah? So basically a trainer. You could just call me a trainer. I was training the horses, I was training people how to ride the horses, and I was training people on the ground to get fitter. So I guess you could just call me a trainer. Well, you see a double tap, it might go down. Potentially, yeah. Like I said, let's see. If it goes to TP now, then 100% the next 10 I'm not going to go break even. Mark 1, no, not yet. This is only 8 of 10. The next 10 will be no break even. Aw, okay. Aw, boy, what are you studying, Graham? Zishan, hi. Atlagang? I feel like I messed that up. Hi, how are you? So what's the score so far? Ooh, apple butter, very good question. To be fair, when did I start this? Did I start this on Wednesday? I did, didn't I? Started it on Wednesday, New York session. The score is mostly break even because it has not been the best week. I think it was. Let's go back. Let's go back in time for a second. Whee! Here we go. Okay. I did not go that far back. Anyways, so 1 loss, 1 win. And then we again, another loss and another win. So those are pretty much even, except obviously the great fact is that the wins are 2R, so puts you in profit. And then I think it's literally been break even since then. Break even, break even, break even. But this break even would have been a win. This one also would have been a win. That one would have been a loss. And now we again. And this we are waiting to see. It looks like it's going up. It's gonna be a win, isn't it? Focus, right? Exist. Thank you. Hey, Elf Gang, hi. Welcome. Welcome to the community. Ego sub, my Instagram is in the description below. Is gingerbread better than a black label diet? I mean, I just love gingerbread. Literally, for Christmas, so my gran is the best cook ever. And I tell her I don't want a Christmas present, all I want is a gingerbread house. So she makes me a gingerbread house for Christmas, and that is my Christmas gift, and it makes me so happy. Sorry, that was a random little fun fact. Ooh, Graham, nice. Nice. That's an interesting, yeah, very interesting topic. Oh, green emerald frog, sure. What's that? The age when humans trade is long gone. Is it? It feels like it's still happening. Ego, in the description. Is Whisper Gold? I don't know. So, yes. Yes, Knight is right. But I promised that I would stick with it for the 10 trades, right? So that's why I went break even now, because I'm sticking with it for the 10 trades. And then the next 10, I will not go break even. I'm gonna be hands off the whole time, regardless of what happens. Which is a little bit terrifying, but Knight is correct. The amount of times that would have been wins, it's dumb not to. Jermaine, hi, what up? %, Knight, and that's it. But I promised 10 trades, doing them how I normally do them. So we're on 8 of 10, 2 more, and then I'll do the second 10 where, like I said, I just place it, leave it alone, that's that. I'm gonna butcher your name, wait. Exist. What am I saying? Close, but no, I'm a little bit younger than that. That's what your numbers showed you. Apple butter, interesting. Apple butter, are you doing this 1 of 10 things anyway? Zane, so I'm gonna kind of do like 10, 10, 10. So I was thinking, let me do the 10, how I normally do it. Then I'll do the 10, no break even, no partials, no nothing. And then I'll do a third 10. Yes. I'll do the 10 trades again, and I'll take partials at the 1R. So I guess the 50%. Big Dream 02. My stop loss is big. Huh, I think that's the first time I have ever heard that. I have heard it's too small. I've heard a bunch. Never big though. Thanks. Ooh, okay. Interesting. And tell me. X's, yeah. It's a lot. Theoretically, it's simple, but yeah. And okay. Let's see what direction this goes. What time is it? How are we looking? Oh, guys, I'm gonna have to go soon. Sorry, like I said, because of the quiz night, I kind of have to be out of here at 5:30 South Africa time, 11:30 EST time. See, there we go. What did I tell you? Zane, that's actually great for journaling. 100%. That's what I'm doing. You can see I make little marks of what they are. I have my trades and I'm making little notes for all of them. So I'm kind of live trading and journaling at the same time. Yeah. I love tech. I am not as brave as you. Not as brave as you. William, heyo. I love, yeah. Top GG top. Can I send you some bucks, my man? Do I look like I have money? Appreciate it if you think I do, but no, I do not. Exix. I'm so sorry. I keep butchering it. Basically, yeah. And you start off not knowing what the heck you do. It's like driving a car. Let me be more specific. It's like driving a manual car. You have absolutely no clue what clutch control is and then you eventually go, oh, this was really simple. Why did I make it so complicated? It's still dangerous to drive, but, you know. Where is the quiz? It's like 15 minutes away. And I'm supposed to be there at like 22:06. So I will be like 5 minutes late. It is what it is. Oh, well then, top GG top, don't you want to give me some? Damn. Millions of cents. Oh, I mean, that's still a lot of money. I'm just saying, millions of cents. Have you guys seen my little coin collection? I have a little coin collection. I think there's some euros in here, actually. There's a bunch of weird and wonderful things going on in here. Not that, it's 50 cents. Where are those euros? Wait, that looks funny. What's this? Aha! Yep, 10 euro cent. See, I have a coin collection. I can send you some coins. I'm a gamer with this name. Sorry, I feel bad that I'm butchering it. Even though you told me X6, right? X6. Yep. Oh, thanks, Nox. Zane, you should. It's going for a win, isn't it? Oh, it is too. It's fine. Sorry, I had to have my little moment there. kind of staying to see if this is going to be a winning trade or not. And I'm enjoying the company. I know there's company out there, but you guys are so much better. Yeah, Zane, literally, I need to... I'll try to get a video for you guys, and I'll upload it. It's an old video that I took a while ago, but it gives you a very nice idea about some KZN coast. Literally going through, like, forest, and then jungle, and then you're on the beach, and then it's built up. It's very interesting. If it gets overview up and stays above, it would look for a long setup next. Right, green emerald, I think that's, oh, except it's melting on ES. Is it just grabbing some liquidity on ES for a bit of a bigger move back up? These two charts now look very different again. I mean, yes and no, one mark. I'm out of the trade, but I appreciate it. I appreciate. I think Knight is just correct. Everyone listen to Knight. Damn, Nox is yelling at me. Came in to say all-time highs. Yep. And... I'm gonna just be like, boom, bothered. Ooh, nice, Amar. Nice. Aw, thanks for the new sub. Yeah, 100%. Right, Knight, that's what I said. Part of me didn't want to go break even because you definitely proved your point with regards to break evens at the end of the day are not worth it. They might save you some losses, but they lose you profits. So, it wouldn't have hit TP yet, by the way. I'm still waiting to see. Nox, don't yell at me, I'm waiting. Okay. Hamid, hey. ES going down, maybe a little rotate. Let's see, Green Emerald Frog. ES is really going down. But the buy side is a lot stronger, so. Apple, but I think that's the thing. For new traders, it's still, you know, my brain just goes mitigate risk, mitigate risk, mitigate risk, but by doing that, I guess in the long run, I'm shooting myself in the foot. Yeah, that's it. 100% Mark 1. It just eases the psychology. Nox calling my ADHD out here. Okay. Nox, how about this? I'll leave 5 minutes early, so I have 6 minutes left. Yeah? Deal? DJ No! Oh. Did DJ get a win? Did Dark Angel get a win? No, 100%. Dark Angel! Whoop, 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 whoop! Oh my gosh! That is amazing! Well done! I'm so glad I got to stay on just to hear that DJ got a win. That's amazing! Lucas, that was very deep and profound, but yes. Thank you, Nox. But I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, okay. Day trading is gambling, right? No, not necessarily, no. Yes, I am. Green Emerald Frog. Yes, yes, I am. 1 minute, yes. Hamid, I'm in the 1 minute. %, Crypto King. I think that's it. Really? Did it nearly hit stop loss, Bob? Cheers, Mark One. Yes, enjoy your weekend. I'll see you hopefully on Monday. What do you mean? What is my VWAP indicator? Are you asking what VWAP stands for? Apparently. Oh wait. Moving on. I love tech. Whoop whoop. Well done. I mean, liquid courage is a thing. Oh. I think it's just the standard. Let's see. Yeah, I just use the standard VWAP. Look, which one did I use on TradingView? And okay, would have been a win. Okay. Noted. Okay, let me finish the 10 trades and then no more break even. Because that would have been a win. A little bit terrifying, but a win. Sorry, Zane, I get what you're asking now. There are different ones on TradingView. Maybe I can very quickly, what time is it? I can very quickly open my TradingView. Let's see. Hopefully this doesn't mess, it shouldn't mess with the stream. Yeah, I say, but boom, banana, you go break even sometimes. Is that the one I had? Okay, so Zane, I used the volume weighted average price. So it's then VWAP. There's no extra things. It's just volume weighted average price. I was just confirming that quickly. Hell yeah, Green Emerald Frog. That's what we want. A nice, friendly community where we legitimately just want to learn and help each other grow and have the most whoop whoops possible. Break even is evil. Yeah. Like I said, it's just the brain going risk management, risk management. Yeah, okay, that's valid. Yep, LP is. LP's been like the day one. Okay. I love tech. Damn, look at you go today. I am gonna call it there. Oh, you're liking pairs much better. Ninja's too slow to scalp. Interesting. Okay. So that's a no for Ninja from I Love Tech. Hey, Black Rose, how you doing? I've got to move to Sierra. Oh, yeah, because I've heard Sierra is really good with regards to scalping. Okay, I'm gonna call it there for today because, like I said, I got things to do. Anyways, it'll be fine. It'll be fun. Let me go socialize. Let's destroy my social battery. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. It was a very fun day. Trading? Meh. But fun day chatting to you guys and learning things. So that was amazing. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I specifically did a shout out for you guys on my short. I don't know if you went and saw it, from a very special somebody. But I hope you guys have the best weekend ever. Go chill, go do your back testing, go get away from the screen, depending on who you are as a person. But I hope it is amazing, and I'll see you guys back here for London or New York on Monday. I love you guys madly. Thank you for always making this so much fun. If you did have fun, please don't forget to like the stream, and if you want to be supportive, like I said, All the affiliates are in the description. Yeah. If you need anything, check the description. It's probably in there. But again, I love you guys madly. Have a great weekend. I love you. Bye.